You'll notice that I didn't bother to file any kind of a shoulder on these lugs, so you'll need to drill a hole that's the same diameter as the bar stock that you used for the lugs. I've never had the opportunity to dismantle an antique trunk handle of this type, but I have seen quite a number of them in antique shops, and quite often the lugs are loose and they don't appear to me to have any kind of a shoulder on them, so that's how I'm doing it here. Next, the lugs are driven into place. I do this over the jaws of the vise so the legs can extend well beyond the back plate. Now I'm ready to create the rivet heads on the ends of the lugs that are going to prevent the lugs from being pulled out of the back plate. I'm using a piece of hardwood to lock the lugs in place while I'm riveting. I just clamp the whole thing in the vise until the lug is embedded into the face of the hardwood block. This supports the lug very securely without marking it up. And then I use a very light cross peen to create the rivet heads. I use very light hammer blows. Don't try to rush this because it will take a little bit of time. And then once the rivet heads are formed, I'll use a heavier hammer to drive the rivet heads flush to the back plate.